So this is for a BMW 328i. It's a 2013, and to remove the electric seat, I'm going to take these bolts off. There's 4 of them that go to these arms, 2 in the front, and then I'll flip the seat over and do 2 in the back. Instead, because it won't slide on the track, we try to power the car earlier with jump battery and tried directly into the wiring for the other seat, which I did get out by doing this method. So this is it. There's 4 of these. Sometimes you gotta go in the insides out time. They don't turn together, which is nice. You can turn one side and get them off. Here's the second nut. They're both 12mm on the front. First one was here. Once I removed the bolt from this area, then I just punched it through. You can use a screwdriver. I actually brought a punch this time. Last time I used a screwdriver. So this next one here is right there, right in front of the socket. That's also 12mm. I'm gonna turn that off. The good thing, again, both sides don't turn at the same time. And the screw is not threaded through there, so you don't have to worry about backing it out. You can just punch it out. Now I've tilted the seat back and exposed the back too. I think they're 19mm, a little bit bigger. But it's the same on both sides. They're kind of a shallow one. There's the one there. On the other side, they're kind of shallow. See, it helped when I had my son reach through the back under the seat and hold the wrench on there, but he's out and around somewhere, so I'm gonna try to do it myself in a minute. Okay, I got all 4 of them out. These back ones are very shallow head, so they're kind of, I had my son reach up from under and try to hold it on there, and used a piece of PVC pipe on the end. This one's still, you gotta punch them out at the end like this last Torx, which we didn't use the Torx, just pop it right out there. Save that. And the seat is right here. So these are the brackets here and here that removed. And now we'll get the tracks later. This piece of PVC pipe I used to help me break the bolts.